Introducing the PTZOptics Superjoy, our most advanced PTZ camera joystick controller. This brand new joystick controller takes remote, pan, tilt, and zoom camera operations to the next level in a simplified user interface with advanced controls for power users. Why a new joystick controller? We know a smooth, efficient production workflow is essential. To design and create the most functional and professional PTZ camera controller on the market today, we consulted the experts, our customers. The Superjoy features a new and improved PTZ joystick, on-screen display controls, quick camera select buttons, and power over Ethernet support. Offering an enhanced ergonomic experience with rubberized buttons, the Superjoy makes video production comfortable and efficient. To keep productions flowing smoothly, backlit buttons and dials will guide operators on which features are available in specific modes. The Superjoy supports both serial and IP camera connections, making it an ultimate 2-in-1 solution for flexible productions. To support multiple projects, operators can save cameras into unique groups, enabling the Superjoy to be used in multiple locations easily. The Superjoy also includes 4 custom buttons to turn on IP-connected devices, including studio lighting, TVs, and much more. Can you imagine the convenience of turning on an entire studio full of equipment with a joystick? The Superjoy also includes an HDMI port to display live video feeds from the connected cameras, set up and tune cameras from anywhere the joystick is connected, and even use this joystick as a mini IP video switcher. The PTZOptics Superjoy, the most advanced PTZ joystick controller available today.